See, work together 3.1 was brought forward for 3.2, so we're going to build off of our 3.1 assignment now. So there's our accounts listed in there for us. So now we're going to add on some new concepts. On April 5th, we bought supplies on account from Palm Supply, $500, M1. The asset account supplies increases by a debit for $500, while the liability account accounts payable Palm Supply increases by a credit of $500. This is a unique situation. Like I was saying, this is a unique situation where no special amount column totals are affected. So we're going to consider this our two-stepper. So our date is going to be the 5th. We're going to have two steps here. So we're going to use two different account titles, supplies and accounts payable. I gotta type it in there. Accounts payable, Palm Supply. We know that we are debiting our supplies for $500 under general, and we did not affect our sales or cash, so we have to do another general, but it has to be a credit this time to make this equation still balance for us. So we're going to credit our accounts payable there. And the last step for this one is to put our document number, which is source document is M1. Next transaction. On April 7th, we paid cash for insurance, $300, C2. The asset account prepaid insurance increases by a debit, $300, while the asset account cash decreases by a credit of $300. So our date is the 7th. Prepaid insurance is our title. Our cash is decreasing, so it is going to be a credit, so I'm going to put that in first. And then I'm going to debit my general to make that balance. Last step is to put my source document in, which is C2. And lastly, on April 9th, we paid cash on account to Palm Supply, $250, C3. The liability account, accounts payable, Palm Supply, decreases by a debit for $250. While the asset account cash decreases by a credit of $250. So my date is the 9th. My title is Accounts Payable, Palm Supply. I am general debiting $250 and cash crediting $250. And lastly, don't forget your source document number, which is going to be C3. Now that's it for Work Together 3.2. Go ahead and try the 3.2 on your own, and keep in mind all the accounts titles that you may use are listed in your book on page number 66 if you need some guidance. Good luck!